fact, we studied the water temperatures of Danube from 1936 till today, and we saw that maximum water temperatures and minimum water temperatures are rising. Annual water temperature rises for 0.5 degrees, which is quite a big increase for a water temperature. Water is not so variable as the air, and we can expect higher water temperatures, which will probably and most certainly affect the living species in the water and consequently the whole ecosystem that is connected to the Danube.
Definitely the biggest issue we are facing is actually with the wetlands. Wetlands are sensitive systems in Vojvodina province, completely dependent on the underground water, quantity of precipitation and the water regime of three biggest rivers. The most visible effects are actually changes in the quality and the quantity of wetlands. The wetlands that were stable and flourishing in water, and also the life which is connected with the water, can be completely dry unpredictably during the vegetation period, for example. Shallow eutrophic lakes that used to be very present in Vojvodina province, for example, surroundings of the city of Sombor has been called a landscape with 1,000 lakes. We cannot imagine that now. That we can only look at the old maps, and out of these 1,000 lakes we have 3 at the moment. Unfortunately, we still don't have a solution for that, and we are now seeing tremendous losses of biodiversity, especially the wetland biodiversity.
The birds, they are excellent indicators of different changes in ecosystem. Species will be very restricted in the future. Their range will shrink and also become more fragmented. At least 30 or 50 species are directly threatened with issues connected with climate. Some of them are threatened by the extreme climate events, like floods, like droughts. The species that are adapted to a cooler climate are now in the danger. Mountain species are disappearing from our area. They are actually climbing in higher areas because they're looking for the cooler climate. Mediterranean species are spreading their range. Approximately 1/2 of the birds is threatened according to IUCN criteria. Many of those species are threatened by the climate changes that are happening not in Serbia but in other parts of the world. For example, our migratory species, some of them are going to South Africa, and the desertification in the area is recognized as one of the most important threats to them. And definitely we can feel that changes are happening to their population. Probably one of the reasons are the changes that are happening in Africa. So we are not isolated from the influences from other parts of the world, of course, because nature doesn't know about boundaries.